And just by using this one on my ClickBank accounts, I was able to make just a couple of dollars per week when I was just first testing this out, but over time I was able to scale it all the way to $327 in a single week on complete autopilot. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to start doing affiliate marketing from scratch using this exact same blueprint that I used to make over $300 per week on ClickBank just for setting this up. It really doesn't matter if you are a complete beginner or you already have some experience with affiliate marketing. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step process how to set up a powerful website completely for free that will be making you money in your sleep. Now this is going to work worldwide. You don't have to have any skills, any experience at all to do this, and by using this method you can start making hundreds of dollars per week too. So if you want to start doing affiliate marketing and make some money on the side, just go ahead and watch this video until the end. And if you want to see some more professional guides and actually learn how I'm making over $6,000 per month with affiliate marketing without showing my face anywhere on the internet, without using my YouTube channel or any social media at all, maybe you would want to check out my one-on-one coaching program. So just go to the first link in the video description and I hope to see you there. So now just quickly smash the like button under this video, subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, and let's now move to the method. Okay, so to start this on the right note, what you need to do first is go to some affiliate marketplace. For complete beginners, I highly recommend that you go to clickbank.com because this is like the easiest platform to navigate for all the beginners out there. But if you don't want to be using ClickBank for some reason, you can also go ahead and do this on Digistore24, for example, or any other affiliate marketplace. Pretty much all you have to do is just decide what niche you are going to do this for. But if you are a complete beginner starting from scratch, you may want to go to ClickBank, and I'm going to show you exact offers that you can use to start this on the right note. So pretty much if you're new here, you may want to sign up for your free account, and I highly recommend that you don't click on start here. You just go to login right away and then just use this button right here to create your account. This will save you a couple of minutes of your time by skipping this annoying survey they put out to new ClickBank appliers. So pretty much it's a pretty easy process. All you need to do is just fill in all these fields with personal information, put in your email address and choose a password, then just read these terms and conditions of ClickBank so you know what to do and what not to do, and then pretty much all you have to do is just click on create an account and you get it created instantly. Then just log right into your account, and once you're in there you want to go to the affiliate marketplace. Now pretty much what you want to do is just go ahead and choose a niche that you want to be promoting, and I highly recommend that you pick one niche for a website that I'm going to show you how to create in just a couple of seconds, because you want to make the website themed. Now if you want to play this absolutely safe, I highly recommend that you go for one of these niches. For example, like business and investing, dating and relationships, which you can find in this self-help section, and also health and fitness, because these are like the top 3 niches that people are always looking to improve in. So pretty much any of these offers in these niches is going to work very well with this method. For example, let's go with health and fitness for this one, and I'm going to show you how to do this with diet and weight loss, because the summer is still like a couple of months away and people will try to get in shape any way possible. So pretty much what you want to do is actually grab a couple of affiliate offers that are promoting some type of diet or weight loss, and what I highly recommend that you do is go up to this sort results by, and you will sort it by gravity high to low. This way you can see the highest converting offers at the top and you will have easier time to find the best offers. Pretty much this smoothie diet 21 days rapid weight loss program, I've been promoting this myself using different methods that I'm going to show you in this video, and I had great results with it. So that's one I highly recommend that you go for. And then there's also this custom keto diet, which is like a ketogenic diet guide for people who are interested in losing weight that way. And pretty much right here you can see that the average conversion for this one is over $200. So this is like a higher ticket weight loss program. But what you want to actually do is pick like 3 or 4 of these with different price points. For example, the smoothie diet is going to be paying you around $30 for each of these conversions, but this custom keto diet will pay you over $200. Then what you want to do is just pick something in the middle. For example, this Okinawa flat belly tonic should work very well. And also guys, keep in mind these are not prices of the product, okay? These are the commissions you will be paid for each sale of this product. One of the reasons why I'm talking about different price points right now is because by the commission that you're going to get paid, you can pretty fairly judge the price of the program. So that's why I'm using these numbers to pick out the offers that I want to promote. So pretty much once you pick like 3 offers that you want to promote, what you want to do is get their affiliate links. So let's start with this smoothie diet. I'm just going to click on promote, fill in my ClickBank nickname real quick, just like that, to get my affiliate link, then just copy it and save it into a notepad. But because we are going to be getting 3 affiliate links, just make sure to write the name of the product so you will know which affiliate links belongs to which product. So pretty much this one was smoothie diet. Then I'm going to do the exact same thing for this custom keto diet. just like that. Click on create a hop link, get my affiliate link right here, paste it into the notepad just like that. And also for this third one I was going for, which was Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. Fill in the ClickBank nickname, get the link as well, copy, save it into notepad, just like that. And pretty much you are done with ClickBank for now. What you want to do next is go to Google and you want to search for a website that we are going to be using to create a simple landing page for all these offers completely for free in just a couple of minutes. So pretty much you want to search for this website that's called webflow.com. Just hit search on that and go to webflow.com, and if you've never been here before, you may want to sign up for your account. Pretty much what you want to do once you're here for the first time is just click on get started, use your Gmail account to sign up for a free account on webflow.com, then just log right into it, and now you get to create a high quality website from scratch completely for free. So all you need to do is just click on new site and you can start building your own page from scratch, completely from scratch. But what I highly recommend is actually choosing one of these templates. Now pretty much you need to make sure that you're going to be picking a free template, because some of these are actually paid, and unless you want to invest the money into this method, I highly recommend that you pick one that's free. What is the best way to go about this is just scroll all the way down here and you want to select this blog tags. This will display only templates that are like a blog type. Now one of the best templates I had great results with was this one right here, that's called Denali on Webflow, and you can see this one is free. So if you want to be using this one, just go ahead, but if you feel like you found a better template, just go ahead and use that one. But I'm just going to show you how to do this on this one, so you will know the process and can replicate it with whatever template you want. So what you want to do is click on use for free, and that way you get to customize it to your liking. So pretty much you want to name it something like lose weight before summer easily, then just click on create a site, and pretty much this done for you template is going to be generated very easily. What you want to do now is just customize it to make it look like a weight loss blog, or if you have chosen other niche for this method, you can just go ahead and make it like finance blog, dating blog, or pretty much something like that. What you want to do is just make sure to customize this title first, change it into something like weight loss blog or something like that. Then what you want to do is customize this part where it says about the author, of the product. Now what you can do is actually use your own photo for this profile image, but if you don't want to be using that, just go ahead and use any image that you may want to. Simply just click on this image, go to this gear and click on replace image and choose the image that you want to go with. Then you can customize this text right below into something like for example, welcome to my weight loss blog. You can find the best weight loss advice. Pretty much you want to customize it to make it like your personal blog, because that way whoever is going to be visiting this site is going to be feeling like a personal connection to you, and they are that much likely to buy something. Once you finish customizing this personal section, what you want to do is actually go ahead and edit these blog posts right here. To do that, just simply go to this toolbar on the left, click on these 3 coins right here or whatever sign that is, and you want to go to this blog section, and now you get to customize each of these sections individually. So pretty much let's start with the first one. I'm just going to open it up and it's going to look something like this. Now there's already an article present. I don't want to be using that, so I'm just going to delete it entirely. And now comes the part where you need to create a blog post from scratch. Now pretty much you can do this yourself, just go ahead and write a blog post if you feel like it. But if you don't want to spend a couple of hours writing a quality blog post, what you can do is just simply go to Google and you want to search for this website that's called Write Sonic. Just go to Write Sonic, and here you can create a high quality blog article from scratch just by pressing a couple of buttons. Now this is like an AI generator that's somehow better than ChatGPT for creating blog posts, but if you don't want to be using this website for some reason, you can also go to ChatGPT and ask it to write you a blog post about one of the affiliate products. But I have found that the articles from Write Sonic are somehow better in quality, so that's why I prefer using this one. So pretty much what you want to do to create an article from scratch is just click on start writing for free, then just go to this article writer 3.0, click on that, and pretty much just go to this topic bar right here, and you want to ask it to create a blog post about one of these ClickBank products that you have chosen to promote. So for example, first on my list is this smoothie diet, so I'm just going to ask it to write something like lose weight easily with 21 days smoothie diet. Then just go ahead and make sure the quality tab is going to be set to premium and the language make sure it's set to English. Then pretty much all you need to do is just click on generate ideas, and it's going to give you these couple ideas for a blog post. So what you want to do is just pretty much choose one of these that you like the most, and looking at these 3, I'm going with this one right here. Then all you need to do is just click on generate intros. Now choose a intro that you want to use for this, and once again I'm going with this one right in the middle. Then just generate some outlines, and you choose some of these outlines for paragraphs that are suggested to you. I highly recommend that you go with ones that are the easiest to read. For example, how the smoothie diet works and benefits of the smoothie diet, and all these outlines are pretty easy to read, so I would pick them over going with something like understanding the science behind the smoothie diet or something like that. So pretty much I'm just going to choose these outlines for my article, then I'm going to click on generate article, and you can see this professionally looking blog post is going to be generated for you along with this image right at the top. All you need to do now is just make sure to copy this entire article, then just go ahead and paste it into the Webflow blog generator. Now pretty much you can see it's going to paste everything with the title, the image, and all these paragraphs right here, and all you need to do now is just embed it with your affiliate link. Pretty much what you can do is just go below the first paragraph or somewhere at the start of the text and add in there a sentence that's going to be something like, try this 21-day smoothie diet plan. Get in shape before summer the tastiest way possible. Pretty much what you want to do then is just highlight this sentence, and Webflow has this built-in link embedder, so just click on this chain link right here, and all you need to do is just paste your affiliate link for the smoothie diet in there, just like that. Click on OK, and it's going to be embedded. Now pretty much you can also go ahead and copy this sentence and paste it into multiple points of this article. For example, every second paragraph. It's pretty good plan, so just go ahead and paste it into multiple places in the entire article, just like this. Then what you want to do is just change the image of the article into something more relatable, and pretty much for that what you want to do is go to one of the free stock footage websites, and you want to search for an image related to your product or your blog post. Now pretty much if you're doing this for finance, just search for some stock market related images. If you're doing this for dating, just go ahead and search for a couple on a date or something like that. But because I'm doing this for smoothie diet, I'm going to look for some smoothies, and pretty much I'm going with this image right here. I'm just going to quickly download it, then just go back to Webflow and replace this image with the smoothie image that I have downloaded, just like this. Then all you need to do is just go to this top section and click on save, and your blog post will be created. And as you can see right here at the bottom, the blog post will be generated for you. Now pretty much what you want to do is this exact same process for all of the affiliate links that you have chosen. And as you can see, you can do more than 3 at a time. But if you want to do more than 3 or 4 at a time, what you want to do is just go ahead and create multiple of these blog posts. Now what you want to do with the remaining 2 affiliate products is just pretty much the exact same process. I'm not going to be doing it on the video for the sake of not boring you with showing you the same stuff over and over again. But what you want to do is customize these blog posts the exact same way. Just go to Write Sonic, ask it to write you an article about the product that you have chosen. For example, next one in my list is custom keto diet. So I will just go to Write Sonic, ask it to write me a blog post about keto diet. It's going to generate this high quality article, this blog post that you can use on Webflow. Then just go to Webflow and replace another blog post with the article generated on Write Sonic. Once you do that for at least 3 of these articles, what you want to do with the remaining 2 is just simply delete them. If you don't want to have them there, just delete these spare sections that you don't want to be using, and pretty much it's going to look something like this. Now also this is going to be customized with the 2 other products, but I'm not going to be doing that on the video, but pretty much you get the point. You get to create this simple blog post, fill it with articles created by this AI writer, then just make sure you're going to embed the article with your affiliate links, and all you need to do then, once you finish that, is just publish this website. Just click on this publish button right here and click on publish to selected domains, and once you do that, you can view your site and it's going to look something like this. So pretty much it's going to have this blog post created for you, and once somebody is going to come to this site, they will get all this free value in the form of this article. And if they are interested in actually doing this smoothie diet, for example in this case, which is embedded with your affiliate link, they will be taken to the sales page, which is going to be doing all the selling for you, and that way you can make some money with this. Now pretty much once you have this site published, all you need to do is just copy its link, and you want to drive traffic to it using your favorite way. Now if you are a complete beginner, you may be kind of lost in this, but pretty much, for example, if you do this for weight loss and getting fit before summer, what you can do is just simply go to Google and you want to search for lose weight before summer Quora. Hit search on that and you will see all these Quora articles that are dealing with this exact same issue. Pretty much what you want to do is just go to one of these answers or these questions, and you want to write a short answer answering this question but recommending the blog that you have created. So for example, in this case I would write something like this, for example. An answer like this is going to provide free value in form of answering the asker's question, and then just pretty much what you want to do is paste the link to your blog that you have created. So just go ahead and do this for all of these Quora answers that you can find on Google, and once you run out of of those, what you want to do is do this exact same thing for Reddit, because Reddit and Quora are like the most famous forums out there dealing with these issues. So you've got plenty of opportunities to share your website, and if you manage to do it for all of those, you can actually go to websites like Pinterest, for example. You want to create a pin, just go ahead and use the same smoothie image that you have downloaded for use in the blog, or one of the other images that you have used on your blog. Then just type in a short title describing your website, and pretty much in this destination link you want to paste the link to your blog that you have created. Now these are just some of the ways that you can use to drive free traffic to your blog that you have created, and pretty much getting as many people as possible to click on your affiliate links is a really complicated issue. So if you want to learn more about that, try checking out this video right here. Other than that, I just hope you have a fantastic day, and I'm going to see you next time.